Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer, where we uncover classic motorcycles for sale across the United States. Let's take a look at 15 unique vintage machines you can own today. Number 1. 1975 BMW R75/6, $4,900, Schertz, Texas. This 1975 BMW R75/6 shows 57,000 miles and remains in excellent original condition, making it a strong example of BMW's durable air-cooled boxer twins from the mid-1970s. The seller notes that top-end work was completed at MPH Cycles in Houston, a respected BMW specialist, and the bike runs perfectly with no leaks reported. It even retains its original factory toolkit, a detail collectors always appreciate. With a clean title and classic German engineering known for long-distance reliability, this R75/6 represents an affordable entry into vintage BMW ownership at $4,900 or best offer. Number 2. 1989 Harley-Davidson FXLR, $5,989, Redondo Beach, California. This hard-to-find 1989 Harley-Davidson FXLR blends originality with tasteful period custom touches. Powered by an 80-cubic-inch Evolution engine with a performance cam, Mikuni carburetor, and Thunder header exhaust, it's paired with a 5-speed transmission and belt final drive for strong, reliable performance. The bike features original bars, a correct 21-inch front wheel, 16-inch polished solid disc rear wheel with Metzeler tires, and a stretched tank with custom dark blue graphics. With a clean California title in the seller's name and current 2026 tags, this FXLR offers classic late 80s Harley character and a strong running Evo platform. Number 3. 1975 Honda CB750F Supersport, $8,000, Oceanside, California. Produced in February 1975, this CB750F Supersport represents the performance-focused F-Series, featuring upgraded internals, including larger cams and a more robust cylinder head compared to the standard K models. Finished in Honda Candy Sapphire Blue, the bike shows 48,269 miles and remains mostly stock. It's currently receiving a comprehensive overhaul, including new piston rings and a cylinder hone, ensuring mechanical confidence for the next owner. With factory front and rear disc brakes, a clean tank interior, working functions throughout, and a clean title in hand, this CB750F stands as a highly desirable example of Honda's iconic 4-cylinder superbike lineage. Number 4. 1957 AJS 500 for $4,750, Tarzana, California. This 1957 AJS began life as a Model 16S 350cc and has been upgraded to Model 18S 500cc specifications, increasing output from approximately 16 to 23 horsepower, thanks to a larger bore, upgraded cylinder head, and 389 Amal carburetor. The overhead valve single-cylinder thumper features the improved AMC gearbox introduced in 1957, along with a clutch-mounted primary chain shock absorber. Restored over a decade ago and still very presentable, it includes new tires and battery and is described as running and riding well. With a clear California title, this classic British single offers vintage character at an approachable price point. Number 5. 1970 Kawasaki Avenger 350, $5,995, Longmont, Colorado. The 1970 Kawasaki Avenger 350, often nicknamed a Widowmaker in its era, is one of the fast early 1970s two-strokes that helped define Kawasaki's performance reputation. This example is described as completely original, including paint, and was stored in a heated environment for 40 years. The carburetors have been rebuilt, new fuel lines installed, and the pristine tank runs on ethanol-free fuel with modern two-stroke oil. Featuring brand-new all-balls steering bearings and a clean title in the seller's name, this Avenger blends museum-quality originality with ride-ready mechanical condition. Number 6. 1974 Vespa Primavera 125, $3,800, Concord, California. This 1974 Vespa Primavera 125 small-frame scooter offers classic Italian design in a lightweight, city-friendly package. Though the odometer is not functioning, the scooter recently received a new fuel tap and a cleaned fuel tank, and it reportedly fired up with one kick. The carburetor will need cleaning and jetting adjustment for local elevation, as it is currently set for higher altitude. With California paperwork recently sorted and a street-legal title, this Primavera presents a charming restoration or light recommissioning opportunity for vintage scooter enthusiasts. Number 7. 1979 Yamaha SR500, $5,000, Concord, California. With just 6,115 original miles and garaged since 1985, this 1979 Yamaha SR500 represents one of the purest big single-cylinder street bikes of its era. Sold new at San Leandro, Yamaha, it retains its original owner's manual and documentation. The fuel tank interior is clean, and the bike was started last summer, indicating promising mechanical health. Known for its simple, air-cooled 500cc thumper engine and classic styling, the SR500 remains highly collectible. With a clean California title, this low-mileage example is a strong candidate for collectors seeking originality. Number 8. 1959 BSA A10 Spitfire Scrambler, $12,500, Ponca City, Oklahoma. This 1959 BSA 650cc A10 Spitfire Scrambler was shipped from the factory on December 7, 1959, and retains its original engine, an important detail for collectors. A complete restoration was finished in 2025, bringing the bike back to factory-correct presentation and mechanical condition. The A10 Spitfire is well known for its performance-oriented twin-cylinder engine and scrambler styling that helped build BSA's American reputation. Located in Oklahoma, this freshly restored British twin represents a premium investment-grade classic. Number 9. 1982 Suzuki GS1100E, $3,500, Louisville, Kentucky. This 1982 Suzuki GS1100E shows 31,330 miles and benefits from numerous thoughtful upgrades and maintenance items. The carburetors were fully rebuilt, intake boots replaced, and the fuel petcock repaired. It features stainless steel front brake lines, an upgraded series regulator/rectifier, GS750E oil cooler, and a 530 O-ring chain conversion. The oil drain threads were professionally repaired with a time-cert insert and the countershaft seal replaced. With valves checked at 30,000 miles, recent synthetic oil, and a clean title in the seller's name, this GS1100E appears well prepared for the riding season. Number 10. 1983 Husqvarna 250CR, $4,200, Black Forest, Colorado. The 1983 Husqvarna 250CR is a respected vintage motocross machine, known for its lightweight chassis and strong two-stroke performance. This example is described as being in excellent condition, starting on the first kick and running great. It features new tires and quality Öhlins shocks, enhancing both performance and period authenticity. Ready for vintage racing or trail riding, this Husqvarna offers classic off-road excitement for enthusiasts seeking competitive heritage. Number 11. 1971 Honda CB100, $1,500, Arizona. This 1971 Honda CB100 is a lightweight street-legal classic that runs great and benefits from several recent updates. It features new tires, brakes, clutch components, piston and rings, and a high-output rectifier regulator for improved electrical reliability. Known for their simplicity and durability, the CB100 models are ideal beginner bikes or economical vintage commuters. With an Arizona title and approachable pricing, this small displacement Honda offers accessible classic ownership. Number 12. 1968 Triumph Bonneville T120R, $4,200, Hull, Georgia. This 1968 Triumph Bonneville T120R project includes matching engine, frame, and title numbers and features a rare Route Big Bore cylinder kit believed to be 750cc or possibly 800cc. The cylinders and pistons appear freshly bored and unused, and the engine reportedly has high compression. Equipped with 34mm Mikuni carburetors and aluminum intakes, the transmission shifts through all gears on a lift. It requires headlight, taillight, wiring harness, and electronic ignition to be road-ready. With a clear Georgia title, this Bonnie presents an intriguing high-performance restoration opportunity. Number 13. 1973 Hodaka Dirt Squirt 100, $4,200, Coalport, Pennsylvania. This very clean 1973 Hodaka Model 96 Dirt Squirt 100cc has undergone a detailed refresh while retaining most of its original engine internals. The bike runs, rides, and stops properly, and engine and frame codes match the correct model and year. Nearly every external fastener was carefully scrutinized, with replacement parts sourced as OEM or new old stock whenever possible. Sold with new tires and rear shocks and offered on a bill of sale, this Hodaka captures the spirit of early 1970s lightweight off-road fun. Number 14. 1976 Honda CB200T, $1,900, Crofton, Maryland. With 8,708 miles and a clean title, this 1976 Honda CB200T is a lightweight twin known for reliability and easy handling. Garage-capped and last ridden in 2021, it was recently tested in 2024 and will need a new battery and carburetor cleaning to return to regular use. Cosmetic notes include a small seat tear, minor headlight case chip, and a reattached side cover. Hondas of this era are appreciated for parts availability and durability, making this CB200T a practical project or entry-level vintage ride. Number 15. 1963 BSA 650, $750, Kearneysville, West Virginia. This 1963 BSA 650 project bike is described as mostly complete, though cosmetically rusty and in need of restoration. The engine kicks over with compression, and the frame number matches the clear title, an important factor for project buyers. Offered at $750 cash, it represents an affordable entry into classic British twin ownership. For someone ready to take on a rewarding rebuild, this BSA could become a standout vintage machine once again. That wraps up today's classic finds. If you enjoy discovering vintage motorcycles for sale across America, subscribe to Moto Market Explorer, and we'll see you in the next ride.